Are you looking for the best way to manage ISO images on Linux for live sessions and installations? Look no further than Ventoy. Ventoy is currently the top solution for creating live USB drives on Linux. It offers unparalleled portability, simplicity, and power, making it the go-to tool for both beginners and advanced users alike. With Ventoy, you no longer need to format your USB drive every time you want to try out a new Linux distribution. Simply drag and drop your ISO files onto the USB, and you're ready to go. Ventoy will automatically detect the ISO files when you boot from the USB, allowing you to choose from a list of available distributions. This means you can carry multiple Linux distributions on a single USB drive, ready to boot into a live session or start an installation at any time. Ventoy supports a wide range of file formats, not just ISO, but also WIM, IMG, VHD, and EFI files. This makes it an incredibly versatile tool, perfect for IT professionals who need to manage various operating systems and utilities. Moreover, Ventoy is open source, which means it is constantly being improved by a dedicated community. Its user-friendly interface and robust functionality make it a powerful yet accessible tool for anyone working with live USBs on Linux. So, if you need a reliable and efficient way to create live USB drives, Ventoy is the ultimate choice. It simplifies the process, supports a vast array of formats, and gives you the freedom to carry your favorite distributions wherever you go.